What's up, guys? So my girlfriend got me a bucket of cleaning supplies for my car for Christmas, and I'm gonna go ahead and clean my car today. This is what she got me. I'm gonna be using just the interior for today. I might do the exterior, but it's a little cold. So as you guys can see here, it's very filthy. All over the floorboards, in the seats. All this is just literally 1 month of not cleaning my car, and that's because it's been snowing, and every time I step on the floor, it obviously gets my car dirty. To be honest, why my car is so dirty is because of my dog. He's always bringing dirt into the seats. Not cool, bro. Not cool, bro. I'm gonna have to smack him. I'm kidding. Alright guys, so now that I have vacuumed everything up, just like fast and quick, now I'm gonna go ahead and use the mean green, and I'm gonna spray the seats. After that, I'm gonna spray it all over the carpet and do another vacuum, just because I just vacuumed all the loose dirt. And let's get to it. My camera died yesterday, so the video that I was supposed to post yesterday is gonna be posted today, and here we go. So just to remind you guys, I am not a professional detailer or whatever. I was just gonna show you guys how I clean my car. Just don't hate, please don't hate. Here it goes.